Hello, my name is Anshumani Ruddra, and I'm the course creator of Surviving and Thriving in Product Management, where my hope is that product managers are able to product manage their own careers and become product leaders, right? Uh, this course came out of my own struggles as a product manager, and I've been a product manager for many, many years, and I've seen some of the best product managers work along with me. But I realized that in the mid-career years, when you're sort of 2 to 8 years of being a product manager, a lot of my peers struggled, and I myself struggled because a number of things were against us, right? So this course came out of figuring out that if our own careers are essentially problems to be solved, can we product manage them? Can we essentially product manage our own careers and get better outcomes, right? So this is how this course started. I began this course in 2021 and ran 2 successful cohorts of this course. And now in 2022, I'm hoping to run a number of cohorts. So this short video will give you a sense of what this course is about, why does this course exist, who this course is for and who this course is not for, right? And what will be the learning outcomes, as well as a few course details for the upcoming cohort. So let's jump in. So why does this course exist, right? The middle years in product management can be incredibly harsh, and they can be harsh for 3 reasons. The first is you have to influence decisions in your entire organization, and this is not easy, right? Influencing other people takes a lot of effort, and in fact, a lot of us were never really trained for doing this. 2, creating an impact on your product area. You are being judged as a senior product manager in terms of the impact that you create on your product. And third, you, for the first time in your career, perhaps are now going to manage a team. So these 3 things are coming together in parallel, right? And which is what makes this whole bit of sort of thinking about your career and thinking about the next steps in your career incredibly hard when you have to sort of deal with these 3 things simultaneously, right? So most product managers fail to product manage their careers, and that's a sad state of affairs, because if we looked at our own careers as a product, we should be able to do this, because we don't view our careers as problems to be solved. And the hope of this course is essentially to help all of you use the tools that you have at your disposal as product managers and view your own career as a problem to solve and solve it. So who is this course for, right? Primarily, this course is for mid-career product managers. So if you're someone with 2 to 8 years of experience as a product manager and you're struggling to figure out what your next steps are, how are you going to progress within product management, then this course is for you. It's for senior product managers. If you're trying to figure out and sort of how you are going to break out from the bunch and how you're going to position yourself as a product leader, then this course is for you. A lot of founders have taken this course, especially founders who are also leading the product charter at their organizations have found this course to be interesting, because they're trying to balance a bunch of different responsibilities and sort of lead a team and build out a successful product. So they've found this to be successful. But it's also equally important to tell you who this course is not for. If you're somebody who's trying to break into product management and you're trying to transition into product management, then this course is definitely not for you. There are a lot of material out there. In fact, I've taught other courses where I've tried to help people get into product management, but this course is not that. This course is specifically meant for existing product managers. This course is also not a course which teaches the fundamentals of product management. It is not a course which is going to help you sort of figure out how do you monetize products better, or how do you, improve the retention and engagement of your products, or how do you build products, with massive growth. So hardcore product management skills are not the purpose of this course, right? So there are a lot of phenomenal courses out there. Please go take them if you want to improve your skills as a product manager, but this course is not built for this purpose, right? What will we be learning in this course, right? We will measure your current level of impact to your product area, to your organization, and give you a better sense of where you are right now and where you need to be. We will create a backlog of all the things you want to achieve in your career and in your product management career, right? And as we know, backlog is the first step towards going and building out a roadmap, right? And we'll talk a lot about how to have meaningful conversations with the people that report to you, but also with your own managers about your aspirations and how you want to grow in your career. We will imbibe a whole bunch of different frameworks to be able to view your career from different lenses and sort of view it from different perspectives. This is very critical for people to understand that what are the possible paths they can take in their product management careers. we will go very deep into the art and science of decision making, and we'll try and build a decision tree around around the type of product management career that we want to have. And finally, we want to arrive at the end at a multi-year roadmap, at least for our own career, right? So at the end of this course, you can sort of confidently say that, you have a multi-year roadmap for your product management career, and you're better equipped to influence decisions in your organization and make the right kind of decisions, right? Lastly, a few course details that would help you. So the third cohort of this course is going to be in India evening time, so morning US time. It'll be twice or thrice a week. Typically, we run this course on Mondays and Fridays. I take 2-hour long live workshops. These are also recorded and are available for you to view at a later time. But you make the most out of it by attending them live. And on Wednesdays, we have fireside chats followed by question and answers with some of the best product leaders from around the world, PMs who've turned into VCs, and PMs who have sort of founded their own companies, tech leaders who've worked with great product leaders, and people who recruit the best product leaders across the world. And you would also have access to all the fireside chats from the previous cohorts. So it's becoming a very nice, large set of guest speakers and guest lecturers, right? This third cohort is going to run from February 21st to March 11th, so 3 weeks long, starting from a Monday and ending on a Friday, which is March 11th of this year. So if you are someone who's trying to figure out how to product manage your career and how to sort of, deal with these middle years in your product management career, then this is perhaps a course for you. So if it makes sense, do head over to the Maven website, check out more of the course details. And if you think that this course could be beneficial for you, do enroll. Thank you so much, and hope to see you in the next cohort. Take care. Bye.